Yes, go ahead.
Rabbi, I watched the movie. Oh, amazing movie. I watched it twice actually while I was driving the car just to really see what it said. One of the things that really was really interesting is where it says where the person that averts his eyes, the person that's for a long time he's in an environment where he's keeping his eyes in check, but gets to the point where it's so difficult because there's so much kedusha that the sitra has after him. So when should the person leave, because since his kedusha is growing because he's protecting his eyes, when is the right moment for him to leave the place he's at?
Right away, as soon as possible. You're not allowed to enter this place. You understand? So it's only a matter of time when person is going to fail. So, but if you're in a different environment, there is no such challenges. So you have a good chance to survive. Otherwise, it's not.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. And just it's very interesting. Whatever it says in the movie, if you notice, we said everything in different wording. Exactly, we said in these classes. Some people were shocked, but as you see, it's nothing that I made up or something. So you have to separate from these people, and even though it's painful, and you love them and you want to help them, but they don't want to be helped. They want to save you. They want to see you as a normal, right? As them. Okay, they consider to be themselves normal, and you a little abnormal, but you can find the common ground. So this common ground is not good for you. You understand? So that's the thing. So sometimes you have to run away as far as possible, or create yourself an island, right? You're there, but you don't talk to, you don't have any communication. So I'm busy. When you're going to be free, I'm going to call you. When you're going to call, never. Of course, you don't say never, but as I said many times, they're going to leave you alone. Like how many times they're going to invite you, you say no. Like you're annoying, right? And for example, in the shul, in all of the shuls, they would invite the whole shuls except me. Everybody know I'm not going to come. Everybody know I'm not going to come to any kiddush. Where is the food? Gathering of people, and I'm going to sit down. Never ever. Okay. So after that, sometimes, so they would offend it 1 time, 3 times. Then they leave you alone. Like okay, they friendly. You came, but they know like this thing. He's not going to come. Right. So I mean, I don't know. So what people speak about my bag, but I'm like happy as a person who did not sit in that company of the scoffers and Lashon Hara speakers. It's not like everybody, but most likely if the people are not such a big Talmidei Chachamim, and they also watch TV sometimes, or many times, sometimes they do whatever they do. So I mean that they're going to discuss it. So, and I don't want to be part of it because of their food. They're going to buy me for a piece of chicken. I'm going to lose my eternity for a piece of chicken or meat or ribs or something. Understand? So I better eat dry bread and not sit with them. I'm not talking about any specific people. Maybe they're beautiful, maybe nice, maybe generous, and all of the good attributes. But it's better to stay away, unless. I don't know. There's no unless. If it's your wedding, yeah, you must show up. But if it's not your wedding, maybe they can do without you. If they cannot do without you, you're a man and they need tents for a minyan, yeah, you must go. But if there are like 300 other people, they not no, like as I said, they don't invite everyone. I don't get offended, but other people that they would come to me. Why here? You're not. You didn't get invited. Like on the mincha, when you have mincha, so the weddings, of course, on the weekdays, right? So on the mincha only comes people who are not regulars, not from regular minyan, like from outside, people who work around, like from the store, and people who are not invited. So like I say about HaShem, nobody invited. Like I don't even mention. So I could not come. I don't tell them that nobody invited me. I'm fine. I'm totally fine. But some people, if they not get invited, it's so sad, so upset. I'm not sure, like, such an empty life. You need to go to the, like, drive somewhere like 1.5 hours or 2 hours or even a half an hour, and there is no parking. What are you going to do? Dump your car? I don't know, to take the bus. I don't know, to just to eat and then drink and then come home late, and then you have to wake up in the morning and you drunk. Like, you normal. Why you need that? What a waste of life. You understand? So Rambam knew what he was talking about, and life is very short, and we have to cherish every moment and do not waste all this socializing.